In the Middle East, people use sumac as a condiment with their meals. The benefits of sumac are used to treat all kinds of diseases from diarrhea to cold and asthma. Properties of sumac. Useful for fatty liver. Sumac has a protective effect on the skin. Sumac useful for weight loss. It helps you digest food and prevent digestive problems. Preventing the growth and spread of cancerous tumors. High blood pressure controlled by treated sumac. Sumac useful for diabetes. Reducing blood cholesterol by sumac. Sumac useful for osteoporosis. Sumac to relieve muscle pain. Treatment of digestive problems such as constipation by means of sumac. Skin rejuvenation by sumac. Blackening of hair by sumac. Treatment of nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. Treatment of hemorrhageal bleeding by means of sumac. If you are allergic to nuts, it is better to be careful when consuming sumac.